Hi, everyone. Today, I'm thrilled to share a simple yet powerful recipe for a refreshing and healthy lemon balm detox drink, perfect for anyone looking to support their weight loss journey naturally. Lemon balm, an herb from the mint family, is known not only for its calming properties, but also for its ability to rev up metabolism, curb cravings, and promote digestive health. When paired with the warming power of ginger and the soothing sweetness of raw honey, it creates a drink that's as delicious as it is beneficial. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dried lemon balm leaves or 2 tablespoons fresh, 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger, 1 cup hot water, juice of 1 lemon, 1 to 2 tablespoons raw honey, adjust to taste. Instructions: Step 1. Steep the lemon balm. Begin by placing your dried or fresh lemon balm leaves into a cup of hot, but not boiling, water. Let them steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Lemon balm is packed with antioxidants and rosmarinic acid, which support cellular health and reduce inflammation. Steeping allows these beneficial compounds to be released into the water. It's also known for calming the nervous system, making this a perfect drink to help reduce stress-related cravings and emotional eating, two common obstacles in weight loss. Step 2. Grate fresh ginger. While the lemon balm is steeping, grate about 1 inch of fresh ginger root. Ginger has long been valued for its thermogenic properties. Ginger can slightly raise your body temperature, helping you burn more calories. It also supports gut health, reduces bloating, and improves insulin sensitivity. For the best flavor and potency, use fresh ginger instead of powdered. Step 3. Strain and combine. After your lemon balm tea has finished steeping, strain out the leaves. Pour the tea into your favorite glass or mug. Add the freshly grated ginger and stir thoroughly. The combination of lemon balm and ginger enhances the drink's detoxifying potential. If you prefer a smoother drink, you can steep the ginger along with the lemon balm instead of grating it directly into the tea. Both methods work well depending on your texture preference. Step 4. Add lemon juice next. Squeeze in the juice of 1 whole lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which acts as a powerful antioxidant, helps the body detox, and boosts the immune system. Vitamin C also plays a key role in carnitine production, a molecule that helps your body burn fat for energy. The acidity in lemon also aids digestion and may help reduce water retention and bloating. Step 5. Sweeten with raw honey. If you enjoy a touch of sweetness, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Raw honey contains natural enzymes, trace minerals, and antibacterial properties. Unlike refined sugar, honey has a lower glycemic index, which means it won't spike your blood sugar as quickly, making it a healthier alternative for sweetening your detox drinks. It also soothes the throat and complements the ginger's spiciness nicely. Step 6. Mix and enjoy. Give the mixture a good stir to combine all the ingredients evenly. You can drink it warm, which is great first thing in the morning to jumpstart your metabolism, or chilled as a refreshing afternoon detox iced tea. Simply refrigerate it for 30 to 60 minutes and serve over ice with a lemon slice or mint leaves for an added touch. Tips for best results. For optimal benefits, drink this lemon balm detox tea daily, ideally in the morning or before meals. It can help prime your digestive system, curb your appetite, and provide gentle detox support. Combine it with a wholesome diet, regular physical activity, and good sleep hygiene. Also, always choose organic lemon balm and raw, unfiltered honey whenever possible to avoid unnecessary additives and get the full spectrum of health benefits. If you have any medical conditions or are pregnant, consult your healthcare provider before adding new herbs to your routine. Health benefits of each ingredient. Lemon balm contains compounds like rosmarinic acid, which is known to fight oxidative stress and support liver health. Lemon balm is essential for detox and fat metabolism. It also has calming effects on the nervous system, which can be helpful for reducing stress-induced eating. Many people find it helpful for managing mild anxiety, improving sleep, and balancing mood, all important for maintaining a healthy routine and emotional control over food choices. Ginger's bioactive compound, gingerol, gives it its signature heat and is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Ginger may also enhance satiety, helping you feel full faster. Ginger reduces overall calorie intake. In Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine, ginger is prized for stimulating digestive fire, helping your body break down and assimilate nutrients more efficiently. Honey. Raw honey contains trace amounts of B vitamins, iron, and antioxidants, and it supports gut-friendly bacteria. This makes it not only a sweetener, but a functional food. Consuming small amounts of raw honey may even help reduce sugar cravings in the long term and stabilize energy levels. Lemon. Besides being rich in vitamin C, lemons support the liver's production of bile, which is crucial for digesting fats. Their alkalizing effect, once metabolized, helps balance body pH and reduce systemic inflammation. They also act as a mild diuretic, helping flush out excess fluids and reduce bloating. Frequently asked questions. 1. When is the best time to drink this detox tea? Ideally, drink it in the morning on an empty stomach to kickstart your metabolism, or 30 minutes before meals to curb appetite and improve digestion. 2. Can I drink this multiple times a day? Yes, you can drink it up to 2 to 3 times daily, especially if you're using it as a replacement for sugary beverages or sodas. Just be mindful of the honey if you're watching your sugar intake. 3. Can I use lemon balm tea bags instead of loose leaves? Absolutely. If you can't find loose lemon balm, organic tea bags are a convenient option. Just make sure the tea is pure lemon balm without added flavors or fillers. 4. Can I substitute the honey with another sweetener? Yes. You can use stevia, monk fruit, or maple syrup as alternatives, depending on your dietary goals. If you're keto or diabetic, a sugar-free option may be preferable. 5. Can I make a larger batch and store it? Yes, you can brew a larger quantity and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 days. Just shake or stir before serving, as some ingredients may settle at the bottom. Advanced benefits of the Lemon Balm Detox drink. This drink doesn't just support weight loss, it also contributes to mental clarity, hormonal balance, and immune resilience. Cognitive support. Lemon balm is often used in herbal medicine to enhance memory and focus. Research shows that it may increase levels of the neurotransmitter GABA, which promotes relaxation without sedation. Hormonal balance. Chronic stress can disrupt hormones like cortisol and insulin, leading to stubborn belly fat. Lemon balm's calming properties, combined with ginger's blood sugar balancing effects, make this drink supportive for hormonal harmony. Immune system boost. Thanks to its antiviral and antimicrobial properties, lemon balm has been used to combat colds, viruses, and even herpes simplex outbreaks. Ginger also has immune-enhancing properties, making this an excellent preventative drink. Recipe variations to keep things interesting. Drinking the same detox tea every day can become repetitive, so here are a few ways to change it up while preserving its benefits. Lemon Balm Mint Fusion. Add a few fresh mint leaves for added cooling effects and improved digestion. Citrus Detox Blend. Replace lemon juice with lime or orange for a different citrus profile and a new spectrum of antioxidants. Apple Cider Vinegar Twist. Add 1 teaspoon of raw apple cider vinegar for an extra metabolism kick and to support gut health. ACV may help regulate blood sugar and enhance satiety. Spiced Detox Elixir. Sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon or turmeric to enhance anti-inflammatory benefits and give it a warming, earthy flavor. Iced Detox Lemonade. Chill your brewed detox tea and mix it with sparkling mineral water, a few lemon slices, and crushed ice for a refreshing summer mocktail. How to incorporate it into your daily routine. A detox drink is most powerful when it's part of a consistent wellness habit. Here's how to seamlessly integrate it into your day. Morning ritual. Replace your morning coffee or have it afterward with this detox tea to gently wake your body up and prepare your digestive system for the day. Pre-meal tonic. Sip 20 to 30 minutes before lunch or dinner to stimulate digestion and prevent overeating. Afternoon pick-me-up. Use it as a caffeine-free alternative to tea or energy drinks. The ginger will give you a natural energy lift without the jitters. Wind down routine. If you omit the ginger, you can drink a mild version of this tea in the evening. Lemon balm helps promote calmness and better sleep, both of which support weight loss and detox. Cycle it for maximum impact. To keep your metabolism responsive and avoid adaptation, consider using the lemon balm detox drink in cycles. Week 1 to 2, daily consumption. Week 3, break or switch to another detox drink, like cucumber mint water or green tea. Week 4, return to lemon balm detox for renewed benefits. Real-life applications. Who can benefit most? This lemon balm detox drink isn't just for people trying to lose weight, it can benefit a wide range of people. Busy professionals. If you're constantly juggling work, meetings, and deadlines, this drink offers a simple way to manage stress and support focus without relying on caffeine or sugar. People with digestive issues. Anyone dealing with bloating, slow digestion, or mild indigestion may find that lemon balm and ginger provide noticeable relief. Ginger boosts bowel production, while lemon balm soothes the stomach and may ease cramps or discomfort. Fitness enthusiasts. If you're working out regularly and looking for a natural pre-workout drink or a recovery beverage, this detox tea is a good option. It supports circulation, reduces inflammation, and helps the body detox after intense training. Those with sugar cravings. Lemon balm helps reduce anxiety and restlessness, while honey satisfies the sweet tooth in a healthy way. Together, they help balance mood and reduce emotional eating. Common mistakes to avoid even with natural detox drinks. There are a few pitfalls to watch for. 1. Using boiling water on herbs. Pouring water that's too hot over lemon balm can destroy some of its delicate compounds. Stick to water that's around 85 to 90 degrees Celsius, 185 to 195 degrees Fahrenheit, to retain its benefits. 2. Using processed honey. Avoid commercial, processed honey that's been heated and filtered. These versions often lose their enzymes and nutrients. Choose raw, organic honey for maximum health benefits. 3. Skipping the ginger. Some people leave out ginger because of its strong flavor, but it's one of the most powerful metabolism-boosting ingredients in the recipe. Try adding less if you're sensitive, or infuse instead of grating. 4. Drinking it inconsistently. Like any natural remedy, this tea works best when consumed regularly. Drinking it once a week won't deliver noticeable results. Aim for at least 5 days a week for full benefits. Compass how to build a long-term detox routine. Detoxing isn't about extremes. It's about supporting your body gently, consistently, and intelligently. Here's how to build a sustainable plan. Morning ritual. Start your day with the lemon balm detox drink. Pair it with light stretching, meditation, or journaling to promote calmness and intention for the day. Hydration strategy. Drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water throughout the day, and consider adding cucumber, mint, or lemon slices to keep it interesting and hydrating. Whole food nutrition. Focus on whole foods like leafy greens, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. The detox tea will help, but your overall diet is what fuels real change. Movement. Whether it's walking, yoga, or full body strength training, 30 minutes of movement per day will amplify the effects of the detox tea by stimulating circulation and lymphatic flow. Evening wind down. Avoid caffeine late in the day and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Lemon balm is especially helpful in reducing nighttime anxiety and improving sleep quality, which in turn supports weight loss and hormone balance. 7-day lemon balm detox challenge. Want to make this a routine? Try this simple 7-day plan to reset your system and kickstart healthier habits. Day 1. Start the day with warm lemon balm detox tea on an empty stomach. Eat light, whole foods. Focus on fruits and steamed veggies. Take a brisk 30-minute walk. Day 2. Drink the tea before lunch to help with appetite control. Add a lean protein like grilled chicken or legumes to your meals. Practice 10 minutes of deep breathing to reduce stress. Day 3. Double your hydration. Aim for 8+ glasses of water. Add cucumber slices to your detox tea for extra cooling benefits. Try a stretching session or yoga. Day 4. Take a break from sugar and processed foods. Drink the tea in the afternoon as a caffeine-free energy booster. Prepare a big batch of the tea to store in the fridge. Day 5. Focus on sleep. Drink the tea an hour before bed. Omit ginger if needed. Turn off screens early and practice gratitude journaling. Day 6. Boost detoxification with movement. Walk, dance, or do bodyweight exercises. Pair your tea with a high-fiber meal like quinoa with greens and avocado. Day 7. Reflect on how your body feels. Are you less bloated? More energetic? Make a plan to keep the tea in your routine. Celebrate your progress. Detox and weight loss myths. Busted myth 1. You need to starve yourself to detox. False. Your body detoxifies naturally through the liver, kidneys, and lymphatic system. The lemon balm detox tea supports those systems without deprivation. Myth 2. Detoxing means constant trips to the bathroom. Not with this drink. It supports gentle detox, not harsh cleansing. You'll notice subtle improvements like less bloating, better digestion, and clearer skin. Not emergency bathroom visits.